Although I am bald and a little bit bankrupt, my name is not Ben Rich. I'm Rambo from the Spirit of Fire, and welcome to Mecca. When you hear about Mecca, you'll think pilgrims, holy lands, the holy Kaaba. But what if I told you there are more to it, more secrets? Follow me through them. You see, although Mecca is in fact in Saudi Arabia, you're more likely to meet Malaysian, Indonesian, Bengali, Algerian than you are to meet a Saudi while walking in the street. And that's because Mecca is the capital city of the Islam world. It's the center of what we call Dar al-Islam, the land of Islam. And therefore, people have been living here from all around the world. They've been living here for centuries, different countries, different culture. You see, Al-Haram is right there with the Kaaba inside. And these are the huge hotels that surround it. But what if I told you those hotels that were hiding something from us? Wherever you lay your eyes, you'll see Senegalese, Cameroonians, Nepalese, Bosnians, Albanians, Turks, Turkmens, Uzbeks, Jordanians, Egyptians, Canadians, British, French. This is the beauty of Mecca, the true melting pot. You see this hotel? I'll show you its secrets. Follow me.
আমরা জুটাতে আসি B1
আমার নাম ধরে নিচে নাম ধরে
B1.
This is like a little city in the middle, inside the hotel, inside the building. You can find everything from perfumes to clothes there. This is made for the pilgrims. You know, when pilgrims finish their pilgrimage, they have to bring gifts for the family. It's normal. And therefore, these little places are made for them, and then you end up having food courts, street food, and you can get crazy really quick. But it's beautiful. It's magic. As I said, it's a melting pot, and let's go and try some Malaysian food today. I have meat curry.
Meat curry.
curry here.
And lemonade.
Lemonade.
Lemonade, please.
Do you want rice?
Rice with it.
Rice.
Yes, please.
Rice, meat curry.
And lemonade, inshallah.
Lemonade.
Huh? Tunisia. Tunis. You're Malaysian, right? It's the first time I try Malaysian food. This is why I'm filming myself.
Okay.
I hope it's good. I'm sure it's good.
Okay.
Inshallah. YouTube, yes.
What channel? I follow. I'll follow.
It's a small channel.
Okay, YouTube.
I'll search for it. Wait.
How many subscribe right now?
A little. 400. A little.
400.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. It's nice. It's doing a nice
Inshallah.
job.
Inshallah, we need more. This is it.
Tak apa. Main jadi juga.
I stopped.
Tak apa.
This is my channel.
Huh? Okay, already subscribe?
Already stopped, of course.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Barakallahu fikum. Allah yarham wajhikum, inshallah. Bye bye. I made a sub. That's nice. Okay. Let's get ourselves a seat and try this. And there's our Malaysian meat curry. I don't know if it's beef. I'll taste it with a good lemonade. Let's see it. Let's try this one there. It's beef curry. I like the first taste of it. I just put everything in there. It's a very light curry, I have to say. It's really interesting. Yeah, it's good. See, you just discovered, I discovered Malaysian food in Saudi Arabia, in Mecca. This is to show you how magic both these places. It's wonderful. I don't know if you're supposed to eat with your hands. My hands are not clean enough. I mean, like, touch beans and everything. Yeah, this is good. It's fantastic. People might think I don't look like I enjoy the things. It's just that I don't do overreactions. I can't. It's not for me normal. It's like start screaming while you eat. It's really good. I'll finish it. It was spicy and light at the same time. It was really a good curry. I'm definitely visiting Malaysia one day because that's good food. You see, they really are like Americans because they even have like luncheon and corned beef. Assalamu alaikum. Tamar Rasul.
Tamar Rasul هذا.
نجم ندوق قابة؟ ايش يتكلف الكيلوغرام؟
1 kilogram 70 riyal.
70 riyal. How much for 2 kilos of this?
Kilo 140. You buy it and get discount. 130. Okay?
120.
130.
Give me 120. 2 kilo is good. It has good taste.
Where are you from?
Tunisia, Tunis.
Tunisia.
And you?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
Oh my God, you brother.
Love, I have a lot of Bengali friends.
Where are you living?
Huh?
Where are you living?
France. Yeah, we have a lot of Bengali. Ami Kudarto.
I'm very hungry, eh? I'm very hungry. MashaAllah.
How long have you been here in Saudi Arabia?
2 years, brother.
MashaAllah. You like it?
Yeah, I like
It's
it.
good?
It's good. This haram.
Huh?
It's-
Haram, of
yeah,
course.
haram.
Life here is...
Yeah, life is very
Yes, it's amazing.
It's very barakah.
Yeah.
Haram.
Oh, do you think the sellers here in general, they're good sellers or you have scams? No, you don't. No scams. But I feel it. People are good heart here. يبارك لكم في عملكم إن شاء الله. God bless your work and
Yeah.
the money you make from it, inshallah. From where? This one?
This Medina.
Medina?
Yeah, Ashton Medina.
How much is it?
This same price, brother.
So-
This three quality is same price.
And this one, what is it?
This amber. And this have box mushroom.
Can you make 500 and 500 grams from both? Which one? Look at the diversity of the restaurants. You have Bengali restaurants, Malaysian, Arab restaurants there. Look at the mountain of rice, the food, dodgy looking food. But I still eat that. And I've decided to eat at this thing. There is so much beans going on. And bread. Assalamu alaikum. أنا بناكل فول بالشيز، خبزة وبيبسي. So الأكل هذه من أي بلاد؟
هذا اليمن.
اليمن؟ أول مرة في حياتي باش ناكل أكل يمني. Couldn't find any place to sit, so I'll just do it this way. It's full Yemeni beans and cheese. Look, they give me the pan. And we have two khubz. It's a bean stew. Why I love this place. You can stay here all day, have two meals from two countries from two different continents. Okay, they're the same continent. I have so much love for Yemeni people. I wish I could visit the country one day. Such a mess. Such a mess. They are living terrible time. Inshallah, they get out of this crisis. I think it's the worst hunger crisis in history. What's happening in Yemen? It's really insane. It's really good. So simple. There's coriander. So simple. Beans, full. Tad bit of cheese. A few spices. This is street food, but not in the streets. In secret, weird market mall. Inside the whole
YouTuber.
Yeah?
YouTuber.
Small YouTuber, yes. Love it, but come, give me your phone.
Hello, bro. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
আমিও তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. I love you. Yeah.
You're hungry?
No problem. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro.
You need to stop my channel.
Yeah. All friends, share, like, subscribe. Okay?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
I'm not leaving. Where is your phone?
I'm from Bangladesh. Yeah, okay.
You YouTube. I'm not leaving until you give me myself. Where in Bangladesh? Dhaka?
Silet. Bangladesh, Silet.
I will go to Bangladesh one day. Near Algeria.
Algeria. Oh.
Next week, a little bit.
This year.
This is. I subscribe. Okay. You have Instagram? You want to give your Instagram name?
Yeah.
give your Instagram name.
Yeah, Instagram. Yeah.
Say it out loud on the video for the girls who are watching. It's a good-looking Bengali boy. It's a good-looking Bengali boy. Looking.
Yes, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay. What is the name of your Instagram?
It's my Instagram.
Follow him on Instagram, please.
Okay.
I beg you.
Okay.
Thank you. Salam alaikum. Bengalis, they are the heroes of the city. They work as cleaners, as sellers, as thank God they're here. I hope they get better condition as a worker here in the country. Better pays and better treatment as a human being. That would be a perfect way to end the video. I don't know if I'll still film content, but that was good. Thank you. Thank you for watching and keep the fire burning.